welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happiness Majoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today, today is just today, and on today's video I will be showing you guys how I do a very easy nail tutorial at home, because some of you all said you do not have money for the monomer and whatnot. So I decided, let me take this a little step back and start from the basics. So I'm not going to dwell into the intro so much. Without further ado, let us jump right into the video. So the first thing you'll be needing is this. You are going to be needing a set of nails, guys. They come so many in this pack, so I just removed, and these are the only ones that I'm going to be using. A nail glue, a file, and a brush. These two are not so necessary to get. So as you know, first you are supposed to measure which nail fits on your natural nail and arrange them according to how they fit your nail. Guys, these nails always come in numbers. As you can see, this one has the number 5 right here. So to make your work easier, you just fit on one hand which nail fits so well and look for the other number, and if you see it's a number 5 like this one, it's going definitely to fit your other hand. Once you have all your nails arranged in order, you are going to take the nail glue. So first of all, you have to make sure your nails are very short and clean and do not have any oil around it. I already cleaned mine. I washed my nails and they are very clean. We are going to start the process. We are going to start with the pinky as we go around into the bigger nail. The curved part is the side where you're supposed to be putting next to your nail bed. As you can see, this one is wide, and I'm going to be filing it to match the size to my actual nail. I am going to be fixing my nail, all my nails, and then I'll be back. After 20 billion years of filing, I was filing, the shape was not coming through, and I decided to go short. So that's always a thing. If your filing is not good, you can always go short to the shape of your nails. So I decided to go short, and this is what it looks like. And I'm going to have to use the UV lamp and the top coat so that I just seal it up to return the shiny effect. As you can see, the shiny effect is missing. Okay, we are just gonna do that, and I'll show you the end result of how it's gonna be like. So I don't know if you guys can tell the difference between the hand that I applied the top coat versus the one that I did not apply the top coat. As you can see, there is a big major difference. So guys, I have cured my nails. We are going to be applying cuticle oil, and I'll show you the result. This is the end results that I have of my nails. As you can see, they are short and square, and this is what I managed. That is it for today's video. If you liked it, please leave a comment down in the comment section. Like this video, hit the subscription button, share with your family and friends. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. And all this is absolutely free. It is free of charge to do all these things YouTubers say. Do that for me, it really helps me on my channel. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.